Hi, I'm Sue Yuru. You've probably heard of hiring a stylist, but a style strategist, that's different. Because your style isn't just what you wear, it's how you show up. It's how people experience you before you even say a word. If you've ever stood in front of your closet thinking, something about this doesn't fit who I am anymore, then you already know this goes deeper than the clothes. As a style strategist, my work isn't just about what you wear. It's about aligning your appearance with your goals. We look at your career direction, your audience, visibility, and your messaging, and we build a wardrobe that supports all of it. It's part psychology, part branding, and part wardrobe science. You wouldn't walk into an investor pitch without a strategy, so why walk into it without one for how you show up? Here's what I see all the time. Professionals who've grown and evolved, but their wardrobe isn't caught up yet. They've mastered the role, the skills, the confidence, but what they wear still reflects an earlier version of themselves. And that creates confusion. It's confusing for colleagues, for clients, even for themselves, because their presence no longer matches their power, their relevance. You pause in front of your closet before a big meeting or event, scanning a wardrobe that no longer fits who you've become. It's not that you don't know what to wear, it's that you're ready for a clear strategy and intentional approach, not just another outfit. It's not about fashion, it's about alignment. When your outer image and inner identity don't match, people can't quite read who you really are. But together, we create your style strategy, a framework for how you present yourself across every scenario, the boardroom, the stages, the camera, or even your next founder dinner. You'll understand what works and why it works and how to build upon it. So you stop asking, does this look okay? And start thinking, how do I want to show up? And what do I want people to remember? I've helped founders, executives, and creative leaders redefine their visual presence to show up with confidence that matches their ambition. They're no longer hiding behind clothes that don't represent who they are now. They're using style as a tool for impact, clarity, and credibility. If you're ready to elevate how you show up and align your presence with your purpose, your style strategy starts here. Because style isn't about changing who you are, it's about revealing who you've always been. Your presence is your message. Let's make sure it's saying exactly what you want.